Hi there! You just signed up for our free keto recipes today, and you will receive an automatic email with all the recipes straight to your email inbox in just a few minutes from now. But hang on just a sec. Before you start browsing through all of these delicious recipes, we have some more additional keto gifts for you. In addition to your free keto recipes, we also want to give you our extensive keto Kickstarter package. You're going to get your very own 30-day personal keto meal plan, a keto dessert cookbook, your keto and intermittent fasting guide, a complete keto food list, and so much more. This is the perfect care package for anybody who is serious about the keto diet and wants to burn body fat in a fast yet healthy way. But you're probably wondering, all right, what's the catch? Well, the only catch is you can only get access to this fully packed keto package today, as in right here, right now. Because today my blog is celebrating its anniversary, and it's my way of saying thank you and giving back to the keto community. So one small word of warning, when you close this page, you won't have any other chance to get this valuable keto package ever again. It's only available right here, right now, while my blog is celebrating its anniversary. Anyone who misses the anniversary gift will have to pay the regular full retail price of $79 if they want to access this at a later date. Now let me give you a few more details about what you're going to receive with the Keto Kickstart package and how to download and access all of these wonderful materials. The first thing you're going to receive is a foolproof, science-based 30-day ketogenic meal plan. It's one that even doctors can recommend. It's the same exact one that I use myself to stay as healthy and fit as possible. With this plan as your guide, you will unlock the secret to losing at least 1 pound of body fat every 72 hours. You just follow the plan step by step. You're going to be enjoying delicious, keto-friendly, satisfying foods and filling meals, and you're going to work them into your daily routine. When you have my 30-day keto success plan, you literally cannot do anything wrong. You will reach ketosis faster and burn more fat than ever before. And as part of this special anniversary gift, I'm also going to give you my ketogenic food journal. It is absolutely packed with a grocery store ready food list so that you have zero keto confusion when it comes time to do your shopping. You will never again spend ages in the grocery store reading those tiny nutrition labels. And all you have to do is use this simple keto food list. This is making the keto diet so simple that you really can't fail. This food journal alone normally retails at $37 on my website, but today you will get it as part of my special anniversary gift. Use this food journal in my ironclad 30-day step-by-step meal plan as your personal shortcut to get into ketosis and to easily stay there, and to ensure you reach your dream weight. It will work for you no matter if you are 18 to 80 years old, no matter if you need to lose 10 pounds or 100 pounds. In fact, the plan is even more effective for men and women over the age of 50 who are finding losing weight is more and more difficult because they have a slower metabolism. The next thing you're going to get with this anniversary package is solving a big dieting problem. Giving into the cravings for sweets is the real cause for many special people why they fail to stick to the keto diet. That's why I absolutely had to create a mouth-watering dessert recipe cookbook for those out-of-control cravings for sweets. I really wanted to make this package special. That's why I'm also going to give you a 77 quick and easy keto desserts recipes cookbook containing full nutritional information, as well as easy to follow instructions to make the most sinfully delicious keto desserts. This recipe book is a dream for people who want to live a healthy lifestyle and satisfy their sweet tooth at the same time. It's beautifully designed and fully instructional. Oh, and by the way, that's probably the biggest keto dessert collection you can find online. Doesn't that sound great? Are you ready to get started making sinfully delicious desserts that you can enjoy with absolutely no guilt? But there's still more. In addition to my 30-day keto meal plan, my ketogenic food journal, and grocery-ready food list, my 77 keto desserts cookbook, you will also receive my 100 keto carb alternatives cheat sheet. Have you ever failed on a diet because of carb cravings? I doubt anyone hasn't experienced that before. That's why I'm also going to give you my comprehensive keto carb alternative cheat sheet. You're going to absolutely love my 100 easy and tasty alternatives for your favorite carb recipes and treats, such as bread, rice, flour, pasta, lasagna, pizza crust, that's my favorite, and so much more. When you have this valuable resource, you won't ever crave carbs again. That's what you really want, not to crave bad carbs, am I right? That way you can easily stay on keto with no carb cravings. And you know what? We're still not at the end yet, because I know that some of my community members also practice intermittent fasting, and that this way of fasting is very popular right now and helps many actors and celebrities reach their desired weight in record time. This is why I have put together literally everything you need to know about keto and intermittent fasting into a compact, no fluff, no nonsense, step-by-step instructional guide. You are bothered by the slow speed of weight loss, am I right? Well, hey, it's no problem. Combine your keto diet with my intermittent fasting techniques, and you will fit back into all of your clothes faster than you can think of. This guide is the perfect addition for anybody who really wants to speed up their weight loss results while at the same time detoxing their body. And while this anniversary package is already incredible, and it already contains the very best resources, I still wanted to make it truly special and remarkable this year and over-deliver to make absolutely certain that you are winning on your keto diet. This is why I have also decided to throw in a few more of my all-time favorite recipes and a few recipe guides for those special occasions. You will also receive 25 of my best and yummiest keto chicken, turkey, and Thanksgiving recipes, my 5 favorite keto Christmas recipes, my 12 best keto breakfast recipes, keto pizza classics, keto bread recipes that taste better than store-bought bread, mouth-watering keto cake recipes, and last but not least, my favorite keto cookbook of all, 100 keto recipes to prepare in 20 minutes or less. Do you know the feeling when you've come home from a long and exhausting day and your fridge is practically empty? I promise, with these 100 keto recipes, you will always find a nutritious, yummy meal that you can cook in 20 minutes or less, with ingredients that you most likely already have in your pantry. This recipe book is my holy grail of keto recipes, and literally, it's my secret weapon to combat ravenous hunger. Now, let me recap everything real quick, just so you can understand the full extent of this incredible keto package. You will receive the following: a step-by-step, proven, science-based keto meal plan that supports you for a full 30 days and transforms your body into a fat-burning furnace. A complete grocery store-ready keto food list, which removes all confusion from keto. A mouth-watering keto dessert cookbook to combat all of your sweet cravings. 100 keto carb alternatives, my keto and intermittent fasting guide, 25 keto turkey and Thanksgiving recipes, 5 Christmas and holiday recipes, 12 powerful keto breakfast recipes, my keto classics, and keto bread recipes that will make you forget carb-loaded store-bought bread. Also, mouth-watering keto cake recipes. And finally, my holy grail, 100 keto recipes that you can prepare in 20 minutes or less. I absolutely know that you're gonna have success if you have these handy keto-friendly kitchen helpers as your guide. And I wish I could offer them to everybody, even to the general public. But look, this keto package is too valuable to just give away. This is why only special ladies like you, who care about taking care of their health to ensure that they can be there when their families need them, and who are on my website on its special anniversary, who could take advantage of my special gift. Here's this special one-time offer that's only available right here, right now. I would normally ask people to pay $79 for all these materials, but not today. My friend said $67 would be fair, but I really wanted to make this special. I did consider $37, but I decided to do something really crazy. In honor of today's special anniversary, right now you can get everything for just $29, but hang on, because you don't have to pay the full price today. I am so convinced that you will reach your weight loss goals with my meal plan that I'm gonna offer everything for a $1 trial today. Yeah, you heard that right, only for one tiny little dollar. And only if you like my meal plan and all of the cookbooks and all the other goodies I'm gonna send you, only then will you simply pay the rest after 7 days. Does that sound fair? I guarantee you there is no catch, no hidden fees, no additional costs, no recurring monthly payment plans. It's just that great of a deal. So click the button below this video now to take advantage of this enormous keto package for only one tiny symbolic dollar. And as soon as you leave this page, the offer goes away. This is super limited and only available for those who are on my website on this anniversary. Click the button below this video to take advantage before this offer expires. Plus, if you act today, you will also be protected by my lose weight or it's free money back guarantee. Yeah, you heard that right. Lose weight or it's free. You can go through my entire meal plan, grocery list, and all of the bonuses for a full 60 days. And if you don't lose any weight or if something bothers you, you'll get a complete, no questions asked, unconditional refund. Plus, you can keep everything as my personal gift to you. Yeah, you heard that right too. You can take advantage today and go through everything for a full 60 days. And even if you decide after 59 days and change that you don't like it, you will receive all of your money back and you get to keep all the materials. You don't have to send anything back. You can keep all of the resources and recipes. I am so convinced that you will absolutely love my meal plan that I'm able to offer such a guarantee. Oh, and one more thing. You're not gonna believe it. I couldn't do this all by myself in the beginning, but exactly this meal plan and these recipes have also been featured on the ABC network. And that's not all. This keto meal plan has also been featured on CBS, NBC, Fox News, and even WND News. All of these major publishers can't be wrong, right? And as you know, all of these major publishers have to double and triple check the quality of their products before they can put them on the air. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to get access to my proven 30-day keto meal plan, my comprehensive keto food journal, and all of the amazing bonus gifts. This one-time offer is only available right here, right now. As soon as you leave this page, the price for all of this information will go back to its full retail $79. Click the button below this video to claim this incredible offer. Imagine how great it's going to feel when you step on the scale and see yourself 1 pound closer to your goal. My ketogenic meal plan is your personal blueprint for incredible weight loss. You don't have to count calories or keep track of proteins. I've done all that for you. You just have to follow the steps. With this plan as your guide, you will have simple and clear instructions. The same kind that people pay hundreds of dollars for a nutritionist to create for them. So skip the website searches, avoid the Facebook groups, and don't waste your time or energy trying to figure out how to do keto the right way, only to end up failing. Get everything you need to make keto work for you, only for the price of a lunch. But you do have to take advantage of this in the next few minutes before the offer goes away. Now, let me recap one last time what you're gonna receive for $1. You remember that tiny little dollar? A step-by-step 30-day keto meal plan, a complete grocery-ready keto food list, my 77 mouthwatering keto desserts cookbook, 100 keto carb alternatives, my keto and intermittent fasting guide, 25 keto turkey and Thanksgiving recipes, 5 keto Christmas and holiday recipes, 12 powerful keto breakfast recipes, my keto pizza classics, keto bread recipes, mouth-watering keto cake recipes, and finally my favorite, 100 keto recipes that you can prepare in 20 minutes or less. And you're backed by my lose weight or it's free guarantee, and you can keep all of the materials should you decide that this isn't right for you. So click on the button below this video to claim this offer before time runs out. Good luck on your journey, and we can't wait to see your results.